I can't get everything to work. Working? We're working? Are we live? I think we're live. How's it going, guys? Good. Welcome, of course, to Crypto Chaos. I am, of course, your host, Crypto Otaku. And, welcome. Where you guys, of course, stay for the chaos. You come for the news, where you stay for the chaos. What is going on tonight, guys? What is going on? I am late. I cannot get this to work. What is going on? What is this? I thought I didn't have internet. No, just okay. Trading view is just broken. Oh, okay. Oh, I got a chart to work. What the hell is going on? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to, of course, the Crypto Otaku. I'm trying to get everything going straight. Good evening. We're late. How you guys doing this evening? How you guys doing? Now, okay, now I'm getting everything loaded now. What in the world is going on? Weird stuff. All right, guys. Of course, how you doing? It's Good Friday. Happy Good Friday, of course. The markets were down today, and so was my show apparently up until right now. Weird. I guess there was an update for like I don't know. It's like prompted me to do all these things, and then like it just wouldn't let me start the show. But we're live. Either way, we're live. Screw it. Welcome back to Crypto Chaos, and of course, let's get on with it. How you guys doing? Commence with the pleasantries. Of course, G-Dog's in the house. We got good evening. Yes, good evening, good Friday. Good evening. Question mark. What's going on, Milk Money? How's it going, Milk Money? Happy Feed the Fire Friday. Yes, welcome again to another Feed the Fire Friday.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Not so much though.
Money. What's about?
Not too much. Just a little bit. Okay, all right. Otaku's lady must be doing Gwei things. Easy. I did take some profits on Gwei about an hour or two ago. I don't even know what time is it. What time is it? I'm losing it, guys. We did take some profits on Gwei. Gwei had a really good day today. Yes, it did. Popped off, and now it's just kind of sitting off sideways. So just kind of waiting for a breakout. Maybe you should be, of course, playing the range on Gwei. You should take a profits. That's it's not how you spell that, but okay, taking the profits. Yeah. When you do get up here, of course, testing the range. You might want to take some profits. All right, guys, I'm not even making sense anymore. Let's get on with the show. Bitcoin sitting at 66,900. 900 tonight. Doing the thing. Of course, last night calling for a baseline bear, pretty much right on our baseline target this morning. On the best case scenario, I had pretty much lined up. Tired of winning, guys. We're gonna win
so much.
I know. I'm tired of winning too. Can we just stop with all the winning already? Jesus. All right. So about $100 away from 67,000. We did, of course, touch it today. We're going sideways through this chop. Really tight. I'm sure if you look at the order books, it probably looks pretty tight over there too. Let's take a look and see how we're doing over there on the order books as well. Don't forget, guys, if you're part of the Patreon, we are doing, of course, Patreon, of course, live tonight as part of our course, our $15 a month package. That's right. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, of course, we have a show after the show here on YouTube, of course, but this one happens only on the Patreon. So if you guys want to, of course, join us over there for less than a bottle of Tito's. Less than a bottle of Tito's, less than a bottle of whatever poison you got. Tonight, I'll be drinking Jim Beam's Red Stag, my favorite. Red Man loves Red Stag, yes. Oh, jeez. Less than a bottle of your poison, your favorite poison, of course. You too can, also join the Chaos crew. Yes. Let's get started with that already. Let's get started with that. There we go. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Also, don't forget this weekend we also have on Saturday. We have Dumb Money. We're gonna be celebrating his passing last year around this time. Of course, if you guys have been hanging out with the Chaos crew in its inception, you know, of course, who Dumb Money is. Of course, I honor him at the end of every episode I go live. All right. So let's get back to it, guys. Overall, right now, sitting here looking at Bitcoin on the order books, we are seeing, 66,800, 900. Pretty much very, very, very tight in this channel, as I showed you guys on the chart. Let's take a look and see how the order books are shaping up into the weekend. We are probably going to see more bombs, more peace bombs dropping.
We're going to win so much
over the weekend. Yeah, pretty much. That's what we're expecting to happen over the weekend. Everyone knows how the drill is. We even Donald Trump even came out and said, we're going to give you 2 days of ceasefire. You agree to it? Do you agree to it? At least 2 days? Of course, pointing into the weekend. We're not going to bomb you for 2 days if you just want to agree to it. And they said no. So we're going to drop the bombs and do it anyway. All right. So yeah, this is the tight range. Of course, we've been stuck in here tight. You guys know the drill. So tight.
Go.
Tight. Yes, do it like a tiger. Yes,
Winning,
yes,
no,
yes,
winning.
yes, like a tiger. Yes,
Like a tiger?
yes.
Not like a tiger blood, man. Winning.
Yep. Yeah, it's just really flatline tight in this channel. We have a lot more support below us than they do. The bears, of course, have resistance, but it's very, 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 very consistent as the market was closed today. Yeah, so everyone was playing nice. This is like the first time in a long time I've ever seen the United States not like just drop it like it's hot in the morning, or dump it. Either way, United States, of course, market open sucks. It always sucks, guys. All right, here it is, of course, on the weekly. You see the last trading session we had was pretty much the foreign market running us up, and then the market, of course, the traditional market was closed. We just went sideways on the weekly. We're looking for any sort of price action, any sort of clues as to where the market's going to be taking us into the weekend. We don't really have too much here, to be honest. It's kind of lackluster all across the board. See over in the last 24 hours. On the monthly here, you can see a little bit of these gaps being filled, like the 75K, a little bit of 80,000, 81. But yeah, there's really hardly anything happening other than this just getting stronger and stronger at support. People, of course, hoping to buy more when they get into the golden pocket. We still have not touched, even scratched the surface of the golden pocket at all. And we're still waiting for that, of course, to happen. Yeah, nothing. We got nothing. All right, so I would say it's very I don't know, maybe it's kind of bullish over the last 48 hours. You can see the last 48 hours represented here on the weekly. There's a lot more being, of course, added above us than there is below us. Higher and higher. This is very bullish looking. Of course, you can see overall pushing the momentum a little higher. If the market was open today, maybe we could have saw a little bit of rebound, but it is Friday. I would have bet that they would have pushed it down a little further anyway. The bulls right now are setting up shop to defend at least 66,500. So for the halfway point in the 66K to 64. 65. We got to hold at least 65 to keep the overall trend going. We still haven't produced a higher or a lower low yet in the last few weeks. We just keep producing higher highs, and you guys know I've been shouting this out and showing you guys for weeks now. We've been basically just going sideways and up and to the right. A lot of this chop, of course, just higher lows every single week since the 2-5 event. We have not broken this trend. My God, I got a mess on every freaking chart. I can't even see it, what I'm looking at here. Yep. Yeah. All the scribbles I had from last time. There we go. A little cleaner. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a mess tonight. Here we go. All right. Yeah, you guys get the idea. It's right there. Nothing has changed. All right, let's get back to some other things we can, of course, point to in the evening hours, the night it is possible that we do, going into the weekend, do drop some of these peace bombs. Do, of course, influence the markets a little bit, and crypto is the only one in town. So the bears right now are going to be defending about 67. It's going to be 67.3. It's a little over that right now, but it's basically going to be 67.3, and we're stuck between 67.3 and 66.5. It's gotta be 666. It always starts to bounce around 666. You guys know we watched this chart so many times. It's just such a boring range, but you know what? We're here for it. And it's just another day in the neighborhood. Okay. moving on. What else we have this morning? We're gonna take it easy tonight, guys. Just gonna roll through everything one at a time. Of course, going through the overall sentiment we do every single night. Let's take a look and see what we have. The U.S. national debt, of course, is growing every single day, sitting at 39 trillion. 72 billion. That's right. We're already over $72 billion. So we just rolled into that 39 trillion a couple of weeks ago. All right, of course, and as of right now, we are seeing a whole bunch of military defense budget spending, of course, being increased up to $1.5 trillion. Of course, Trump's trying to get that approved right now. Originally, it was only what, 400 or 200 billion. Some silly numbers. Yeah, and our U.S. defense spending, what is it? What is that currently? It's of course over here. Come on, get out of there. Total military defense, not even $1 trillion. So we're gonna up that by about $600 billion, something like that, for the year. Cool. That's almost double, well, almost triple actually, almost triple what Scott Besson was requesting the first time. Just a few weeks ago, he was of course requesting $200 billion. Now he's asking for more like, I guess, 600, and we're gonna keep that military defense budget going, I guess, for the future, as our interest just keeps growing on our overall debt. We can't do this forever, guys. This is unsustainable, and of course, the Fed knows
the U.S. federal government's on an unsustainable fiscal path, and that just means that the debt is growing faster than the economy. We're borrowing from future generations.
Yes, sir. Clarity Act getting written into law as we do start the month off here in April. Cynthia Lummis has been touting that this will be the month. This will be the month that we, of course, get the Clarity Act going. And right now we're sitting at 60% chance, down about 2% from the highs we just saw about a few weeks ago. 72, man, 72, 82. When was that? Holy crap! On February 19th. I don't remember the 82% chance. That's crazy. But yeah. Over the last 2 weeks, we've been fighting basically between 72 and 62, and here we are going back up again to 60%. The lowest we've ever seen on Poly Market was what, 39 at the beginning of the year back in January. So we have been creeping on up slowly. The latest that we got from Coinbase was actually kind of bullish. Obviously, we know Brian Garlinghouse. Wow. Brian Garlinghouse and everyone else, of course, pointing towards this happening this year. But Brian Armstrong, right, CEO of Coinbase, he's been kind of holding this back with his big push against the banks on the stablecoin yield, as he should. He's just never going to win against the banks. And we did get, of course, some news this week that Coinbase is at least looking at a compromise, and it's coming close. You're not going to get that out of Brian Armstrong's mouth, but at least his executives were saying it this week. All right, anything else happening on Poly Market? Not really. It's been really lackluster. It's all sports ball now, man. We got normies. Too many normies playing around with Poly Market now these days. And it's not even in America yet. We still can't even use this in America. It's ridiculous. Yeah, Fed decision in April, still at 1%. And everything else is pretty much blasé, I guess. Blasé. Okay. Moving on. Yeah, you can also, don't forget, you can also join the Patreon. Oh my gosh, guys. What the hell? What am I doing? You can also join the Patreon. It's only $15 a month. Only $15 a month. Less than a bag of, I guess a few bags of chips. What the hell? I'm losing it. All right, where were we? Overall sentiment of the stock market today was closed, so we're still in the same spot we were yesterday in extreme fear, looking at 619 in extreme fear from the last time the floor market was active. We have crypto fear and greed right now, sitting at 11 in extreme fear. It's 3 points higher than we were this morning, so nothing too crazy. But again, we're the only game in town right now going into the weekend. Let's go. Let's see what else we have. The Dixie still holding around 100 as people still flock to safety in the dollar. Doesn't look very safe to me. It's just paper. Paper promises. Not for me, man. Not for me. All right. Paper promises going into the thing. I'm off today, guys. I'm just letting you know. Nothing was working when I started, and I I wasn't able to set up, so we're just kind of rolling through the motions tonight. Okay, let's get into bubbles. The bubbles. Your bubbles, my bubbles, of course. Don't touch my bubbles. Crypto bubbles tonight. Let's take a look and see what's going on the daily. See what the big movers are. Algorand sitting at 11%. Algorand's up 11%, the biggest mover on the day on the top 100. On the weekly here, we're looking for anything oversold, 15%. There is nothing. It's almost like the bottom's in. Almost like the bottom's in. As the overall market cap of crypto is still sitting right around 2.3 trillion, right? 2.3? Anything change here? Yes, 2.31. 2.31 today. All right. Let's take a look and see what we got over here on the monthly. We're looking for anything oversold, 30 or 40% or more on the month. Not a damn thing I would even throw money at right now, honestly. ENA is down 31% and WorldCoin's down 36 again. It looks like the bottom's in, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like the bottom? Doesn't it? Like, where's all the stuff? Where's the blood? Where's the pain? Give me some more pain. I don't see any. We're going to do the same thing over here in the top 200. This might be the only opportunities we can find. Let's take a look and see. On the day, we got Track entering the top 200. I haven't even seen this token. We just talked about Gas this morning, as Gas just entered the top 200. But Track is here now, too. This one just blasted off. Holy smokes. 15% on a single day, which is not a crazy move. We did just see a similar kind of move on a different project. We'll go into that again. But yeah. Or is it the Origin Trail? Really? Origin? Of course, a play on Oregon Trail. Yeah, funny. Let's take a look and see what that coin is, because again, it just moved into the top 200. Let's see. What is this Track? Is it Track Phone? Origin Trail. They have two different logos. Looks like they might have just changed their logo today. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Total supply is sitting about 500 million tokens. Circulating right now is about 500, so it looks like it's totally allocated or distributed. You guys know the drill. It's an Ethereum contract. Of course, we can find out a little bit more here. Origin Trails, an ecosystem building on a trusted knowledge infrastructure for artificial intelligence. It's an AI play. It addresses it's a challenge of misinformation in the AI era by ensuring the origin of information and enabling discoverability of the world's most important knowledge and real-world assets. Origin Trail is creating a verifiable internet for decentralized AI by empowering world-class brands and builders. Without reading this giant wall of text, it looks like it wants to do kind of verifying of AI content or assets, of course, being developed or interacting with AI technology. Kind of like what we want to do with like the orange check mark with Bitcoin on like Twitter, and like the same sort of thing. Of course, we've been trying to verify all of our data via the blockchain. Now we're doing it via the AI, of course, as well. All right, so yeah, that looks like something to do with that as well. You can, of course, also check out the website here on Origin Trail. Come on, trust the source. Okay, yeah, a bit of a climatic entrance there. Limitless. What is limitless? Hopefully not the supply.
What are you, stupid?
As there are risks, hallucinations. Is there supposed to be volume to this? Yeah, there is. Bias. Data ownership. Model collapse. What? Imagine a world where you can trust with the transparency. We kind of have that though with some of their assets, but I mean, obviously we're trying to do this with AI. Verifiable data internet of AI. Okay. Did it just say graph at the end? Like, it went so fast at the end I didn't even read it. Okay. Benefits of AI are here. All right. So yeah, it looks like they want to make sure they can track every little thing and make sure it's all real eventually. Trust the source. That is what this project is about. All right, so that's Origin Trail. Just of course, it just entered the top 200 today, out from, of course, nowhere. Let's take a look and see what else we have here. Any other big movers on the day? To the downside, we got Sentient and ZK. Nothing is even 15% off again today here on the top 200. I have nothing to give you guys today. I'm sorry. There's like no opportunities at all on the top 200. Kite is down 21% on the month. We're at the, oh no, we're on the week. We're on the week. Never mind. On the weekly, okay. We have at least 2 projects at least down 15% on the week. Jido's still on the outskirts. It was a runner-up this morning. I was like, it's 14 point something, right? Percent off. Now it's still sitting at about 14% off on Jido. I do like Jido, especially 87% off on the year. Yeah. It looks like a good one to pick up in a flip, and whenever that one breaks out, it's going to be explosive. We've been talking about Jido for quite a long time, but it has been kind of slow and not really moving at all up or down here in the last few weeks. Kite down 21%, AB and Jido are the only 3 assets right here, the top 200 to be looking at for opportunities. Yeah, and we also got River, of course, all that privacy coin sector always still panning out. IP Story also down 42% here on the monthly. We're looking for 30s and 40s, guys. This is the one the most oversold. It is the most oversold here asset on the top 200. I would say in the top 2, like literally in the top top 200, like between the top 1 and 200, it's still the most oversold. Still trying to find its bottom. Last time I looked at it, it was like 48 cents. Now it's back to about 50 cents. I did throw 50 bucks at it, I think, this morning. I'm going to be throwing a 50 bucks probably every day. Every day now from now on, I think I'm going to be throwing 50 bucks at it. That thing's going to be explosive if it comes back to life. Let's see what else we got here. Humanity tokens, the same roundup, guys. Ultima, River, Humanity, AB, Kite. The same ones we talk about. All Frax. Pulse Chain's almost there. Hex, 32% off on Hex. So those are the only opportunities you have, guys. So you're gonna be looking at the monthly on the top 200 right now. If you're looking for anything with a little bit of capital that can come back pretty quick. Let's see what else we got. I'm bored, guys. We're gonna go into the top 300. I'm bored. I never do this. It's just terrible. Wow, Siren is now back to the top 300. Again, that just ran 150% over the last 2 weekends. This coin has ran, so it might be something to look at going into the weekend. Last time I threw 100 bucks at this, I made like 20. I got out too early, and then the thing just ripped, man. It ripped another 100%. And so you just never know. But this one did play out the last 2 weekends. Has been kind of wild. With almost what was it? The 27th. And then we had this one here on the 24th, and again another run on the 22nd. So it's been a roller coaster ride for Siren. All right, that's all we got, guys. You've been playing around with the top 300. Going into the monthly, what's the most oversold? It's Siren. That's it. It's Siren. All right, moving on, guys. Moving on. That's my 2 sats. I wish there was more pain. I wish there was more blood, but there's nothing to buy right now, in my opinion.
I'd buy that for $1.
I mean, there's stuff to trade, but you have to hang out with the Chaos Crew and maybe listen to what we're doing, and I don't know, take some profits. Take some fucking profits. We're making money over there, man. We are making money over there. You just gotta fucking listen, man. Oh, jeez. You gotta listen and read. You gotta know how to read. Okay, there's some prerequisites to hanging out with the boys, okay? You gotta listen, you gotta be able to listen, and you gotta be able to read. And reading charts definitely helps. Reading charts definitely helps. And playing the range, of course, is what I've been doing personally. Anyway, all right. What else we got here? Moving on into all the stuff and things. Not financial advice. Only my 2 sats. Did I already hit the I buy that for $1? Yeah.
I'd buy that for $1.
I don't even remember. I'm just completely out of it today, guys. All right. Moving on. Let's see. We've got the market cap dominance for Bitcoin still hanging around closer to 59%, but it's been pretty low here recently. And we've given some of the market cap a little bit back to altcoins, but we're still only about $900 billion in all of all crypto outside of just crypto of Bitcoin, right? Actually, it's been a while since I even looked at total 3. Let's take a look at that, or total 2. Let me see if I get rid of some of these coins real quick. Throw those back on here. Take a look at total. So we got total 3 crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. I want to look at total 2, Crypto total market cap excluding just Bitcoin. Of course, to give you an idea of what we're looking at overall market cap. You can see right here, 945 billion. As I keep telling you guys, there's not even $1 trillion in all of crypto except Bitcoin. Jeez. It's crazy when you say that stuff out loud. All right, moving on. So overall Bitcoin dominance still not quite in Sailor's 60% ballpark, but anyway, either way, Bitcoin is still the prime asset everyone's looking at right now, especially during wartime. I think Bitcoin's going to do okay during wartime. It's everything else that's just going to be a little bit too shaky, right? A little too shaky. Strawberry Dragon's coming in with a $2 super chat. Boom. She says, I can't read English, Otaku, and a potato in my ear. Oh no, oh no. Strawberry, we love you, Strawberry. Hanging out with the girls on Wednesday night. Stayed up a little too late that night. That screwed up my whole week schedule, sleeping schedule. But we had a great time with the girls over there. You guys were hanging out with the Chaos crew on Wednesday. You know what we're talking about. But yeah, should I start translating things to Mandarin for you? Strawberry. Our Cantonese. I think that was your first language, right? Right? I listen. All right. Moving on. Okay, so that was, of course, Bitcoin dominance right now, sitting at just under, of course, 60% dominance. Where were we? We were down the line, I think, right about here. We can skip over some of this tonight. Let's get into overall coin market cap. Brought to you, of course, by Coin Market Cap. Yes, we're going to talk about the overall market cap. 2.13 trillion. 2.13. Oof, that would be a bad day. 2.31 trillion. Still on the up and up a little bit, of course, up and to the right this week. Nothing too crazy. We've just been kind of stagnant. What was it last weekend? What did we see last weekend? If I can ever get my calendar to work. Let's see. Calendar. Oh, let's get some dates. Let's pull some dates. I'm curious to see what we got from last weekend. All right, so it looks like last weekend. Oh my God. March was the 28th. Going from the 27th into the 28th. We had dropped off a cliff here from a high of 2.45 trillion to where we are now, and just still kind of keeping everything up and to the right steady. So it is possible we do see another leg down if things get a little heated. But I would say that we were pretty well behaved this week. It's possible that by the end of the weekend, if we get again another, what was it last time we had a big bomb that dropped. It took out some infrastructure. We found out on Monday, and then Pete Hegseth made a big thing out of it, and Trump had a whole statement. I'm probably gonna see something similar this weekend. And again, I just said we had they threatened us. We threatened them back. We tried to do give them a ceasefire. Again, if you believe any of the propaganda we hear on both sides, right? We just don't know. We just don't know what's true. Top 10 assets in the world. Of course, Bitcoin's the top one, top dog. Top 10 right now, sitting still Leo. Came in, of course, last week swinging, still pushed a Hyperliquid, Bitcoin Cash, and Cardano is now sitting at top 13. It's crazy.
What are you,
That's
stupid?
crazy. If you would have went back in time and told me that Cardano was going to be out of the top 10 in 2026, I would have laughed. I've been like, no way. Yeah, here we are sitting today. Doge is still in, and Cardano is not. Crazy world we live in. Monero sitting at top 16, and again climbing up a little bit closer here. We did see what was it? World Financial still holding the top 20. Yeah, Litecoin, everything else on the outskirts. Okay, nothing else happening on the top 20. All right, moving on. Bitcoin dominance, my favorite Bitcoin amount on exchanges. Yes, Bitcoin amount on exchanges right now. I show you guys this every single night because it is ridiculous how many we've taken off exchanges over the past 3 or 4 years. This is all that remain, and we've seen a little bit of a roll off here again going into the weekend. 2.45 million. That is the second or third lowest we've ever seen here on exchanges balances. Get some before it's all gone, guys. I bought some more Bitcoin today. I've been buying I don't even know, it's like $10 a day for the last 3 months. I'm already getting close to. And then I double dip. On down days when we're like 65 or 63 or whatever the low is for the week. And I'm already getting close to like having a full percent. Guys, right now, a percent of a Bitcoin is only like $600. What are you doing? You should be stacking sats. What are you doing?
We're gonna win so much.
You have to stack sats to win.
Tired of winning. I'm gonna say please.
Oh my god. I just can't stop ranting tonight. All right. Oh, jeez. All right. What else we got? We can skip some of this stuff. Yeah, we're into the, of course, going into the weekend. Looking at the top 10 assets in the world. Bitcoin's not one of them. Used to be top 5 last year. Seeing right now at 13. And we, of course, have gold and silver in the top 1 and 3 slots. With NVIDIA still showing weakness again today, too. Even though it's not trading today, I guess. Yeah, futures. It's only up almost 1% today on futures. Okay, it's not too bad. Still looks down to the right here in the last 30 days, though, for NVIDIA. All right, anything else moving around here? Amazon's chopping sideways. Saudi Aramco was going a little bit up and up and up. We did just get flipped by, what was it, TSMC not too long ago, and then that just fell after the war started. Oh, there it is, never mind. It's at number 9. There it is. I'm like, where the hell did it go? Yeah, it's right there, number 9. Anything else we have to worry about? Walmart coming out of nowhere because, oh, not really out of nowhere. Walmart's always just been up and to the right, especially during wartime. Wartime, of course, pushes Walmart to play out the best because people, of course, go into Walmart, go into Coca-Cola, go into McDonald's as safety stocks and hedges. All right, that's of course what we got going on today. The top 10 assets in the world. Yeah, Walmart could be coming for our lunch here soon. It's already over $1 trillion now. It's already over $1 trillion. If we get to those, if we get to those 40 or 45 or 50 or $55,000 Bitcoin, that would of course, take Bitcoin underneath $1 trillion. If you get like 45 or 40,000, our trillion, 40. What am I looking at? 40,000. The price action. Yeah, of course, making the. We're doing the thing tonight, guys. We're doing the thing. Oh man. All right, moving on. What are we looking at? Doing the thing. I guess we can get into some news now. I guess we can. Guys, of course, if you want to catch hang out with the Chaos crew tonight, of course, we're going to be doing a live stream right after this show. That's right, after this one is concluded at 9:30 here in about less than an hour, about 45 minutes away. We're going to be, of course, going live over there. If you want to ask any questions, of course, you can do that over on the other side. And yeah, hopefully we can help you out with your portfolio. Speaking of helping you out with your portfolio, I just cleaned house this week. I have a brand new portfolio this week. I mean, it's not brand new. I just cleaned house and got rid of a whole bunch of junk that wasn't moving. I said, screw it. I don't want it. I don't want it in my life. So of course, guys want to, of course, build a good portfolio. You have any questions about your portfolio? Yeah, you can join us over there. And yeah, of course, like-minded individuals will, of course, help you out. For only $15 a month. Oh my gosh. So cheap. Cheaper than, of course, a date with your mom. Cheaper than a bottle of Tito's, whatever your poison is, right? And also cheaper than Netflix subscription in 2026. Dystopian future is here, guys. Protect yourself before it's too late. All right, getting into crypto news. Let's see what we can dig up. It's been really stagnant. Of course, the market's closed tonight. And, of course, closed yesterday, or I guess technically today. Here in the US. All right. Anything else that's really interesting to dive into? Not really. Is Chainlink poised for another 10% drop? We got Hopium and FUD articles abound everywhere because that's when you know when there's no news to cover. We're just making stuff up. Jack Dorsey signals return of Bitcoin faucets. If you guys haven't seen that, Jack Dorsey is giving Bitcoin away. Yes, he's going to be doing that. I think starting next month. Or no, this month. Starting this month. Next week, I believe he's going to start doing that. Bitcoin faucet distribution, small amounts of Bitcoin in exchange for simple actions such as solving cap chats, which watching ads or just signing up. These tools were originally designed to introduce new Bitcoin users. They help people experiment with wallets and in transactions without needing to invest money up front. Kind of going back to the origin days, right? 2010, 2009. We had like push this button and we'll give you get you Bitcoin. If you guys ever seen those videos that popped up over the years on usually it's a meme that says I was doing this when Bitcoin was doing that, and one of those videos obviously will show you like hit this button, get Bitcoin, send you Bitcoin for free. And then instead you were playing Counter-Strike, or like you were, I don't know, playing Doom or something. All right, get Bitcoins for, of course, the faucet is coming soon. If you guys don't have any Bitcoin, maybe this is the route. Although I recommend just, you know, trying to get the underlying asset for as low as you possibly can. Just keep DCAing, man, DCAing. To understand the significance, it helps to look back. Satoshi Nakamoto launched a Bitcoin in 2009, which had little to no market value at the time. Biggest barrier was access. Giving even a small amount of Bitcoin was difficult. That changed in 2010. Gavin Anderson created one of the first well-known faucets. It gave away up to 5 Bitcoin per user by completing a CAPTCHA. Of course, one of those, you know, verify user things, right? Yeah, put the piece of puzzle together. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so back then the account was worth very little. In hindsight, it became one of the most generous onboarding tools in crypto's history. Those early faucets played a key role in Bitcoin's spread. They allowed thousands of users to learn by doing. And however, as Bitcoin's price rose from cents to thousands of dollars, such giveaways became unsustainable, and of course were taken away. Breaking: Jack Dorsey's block is launching the Bitcoin faucet, letting users earn free Bitcoin. Back in 2010, Gavin Anderson's faucet was giving away 5 Bitcoin, again, by solving the problems. A simple tool with big implications. Over time, the faucets evolved. Many now include gamified tasks, learning modules. We have like mobile games that actually have something similar to that now too. Referral systems or micropayments. Dorsey's move comes at a moment where Bitcoin is far more mature. There was like I forget what the name of the game was. It was on the iPhone Apple Store, and there was a Bitcoin related, and they were giving away Bitcoin that way. That was last year. We talked about that for a little bit. I forget the name of the damn thing. I'm sure if you guys have an Apple iPhone device, you just type in Bitcoin. It might be one of the first things to pop up. The broader context matters. Following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States and growing integration into payment systems, both institutional and retail adoption have accelerated. Some governments have even begun exploring Bitcoin. Okay, we don't need to get into all the history here. Of course, we know institutional access is here, and their demand is going to be huge. Back to the Bitcoin roots or something bigger. Still, a key detail remains unclear. It is not known how much Bitcoin will be distributed via this method, whether there will be limits or if the system will be using the Lightning Network for instant payouts. I would imagine it would be. Block is yet to release technical specifics. Even so, the signal is clear. Dorsey continues to push for Bitcoin as an open, accessible financial system, not just an asset for investors. There's already a similar thing already set up like this. It doesn't always give you Bitcoin though, but it gives you a chance to take some. It's the wishing well. I mean, you guys know about that. I think that's still a thing. I'm trying to think back in my head what we have now. It's similar. We still have the wishing well, I think. Yeah. BitcoinWell.com offers the Bitcoin wishing well. You can make a wish in the well. It went up to 1 million sats, which is 1% of the Bitcoin. Obviously, you need 100 million to produce a Bitcoin. So yeah, that is, of course, it's still available to you as well if you want to sign up over at Bitcoin Well. All right. Where are we? Okay, do thing. We're gonna continue. We're gonna continue. Again, guys, I'm a little off today because I wasn't able to set up my live stream. Nothing was working. If you guys came in late, I couldn't even get TradingView. It was just all blank. This is so weird. So I was fighting with TradingView. I don't know if they had a DDoS attack. It just came back. I don't know. Yeah, I'm a little off today on my live stream. So just bear with me as we go through the motions as we normally do every night. All right, coming in hot with these nuts. These nuts. $10.
Give me money. Money me. Money now. Me a money. Needing a lot now.
Oh, jeez. God. Oh no. I gotta catch up with you guys in the chat. What is going on in the chat tonight, guys? Oh man. Gamma. What? Hold the line. We got go time here. Oh my gosh, guys. What's up with the super chats? Whoa. Somehow I must have missed all of this stuff, guys. Thanks again for the super chats tonight, guys. Easy. These nuts and Strawberry. We love you, Strawberry. No, Strawberry, so much. Okay. I just increased my crypto budget. Says go time. Let's go. Let's go. Anything else you can spare right now is going to be worth it in the future. Any dollar spent in the bear market is going to be worth possibly two to hundreds of dollars in the near future. Oh my gosh, Cliff. Whoa. I have no words. Whoa. Chill.
Give me money. Money now. Me
Boom.
money needing a lot now.
Strawberry Dragon's coming in with the flying onions. I love the flying onion. What? The flying onion? That's a pear, Strawberry. That's a pear. These nuts got a pear. And then we got a $10 Tito's chat alert. Yes. Tito's alert coming in from Cliff. Cheers. Just a little bit. Just a taste. Just a little bit. Oh, there we go. It's still early, guys. It's still early. I can't drink it too much just yet. Cheers. Thanks again, Cliff, for the Tito's super chat. Strawberry Dragons for the flying onions, and these nuts with the flying pear. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers going into the weekend. Happy Good Friday. Yes, I gotta catch up with you guys in the chat. Oh my gosh. We got a clip here from EZ as well. Oh my gosh. What is this? That's not the dance, baby. When you tell adult people we didn't land on the moon. Yes. It came from a NASA statement from NASA where one of the I guess the astronauts going up there. He was wearing a uniform. I'm assuming he's like, we're gonna send men to the moon. This will be the first time we send men to the moon. And I said, yes, it's right. That's right. He just meant that this is gonna be the first time we're gonna have some sort of particular thing. But the way he said it, the way he worded it, and of course the whole world saw it that way, because we didn't actually have people on the moon. We didn't have people on the moon. Those videos are so ridiculous. This is the video, of course. Yeah, we're talking about
humans to the moon, and we're gonna have humans. This is the first time we're gonna send humans to the moon, and we're gonna have humans in low Earth orbit. That is awesome. This is the first time we're gonna send humans to the moon, and we're gonna have humans in low Earth orbit. That is.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. It's awesome. Tell me the fairy tale about how NASA landed man on the moon. I love it. Yeah, crypto Twitter. I mean, Twitter in general is just blowing up about it. It's hilarious. Yeah, and all you gotta do is just type in NASA moon right now, and you're gonna find wild stuff. Oh, thank you, EZ, for sharing that one again tonight. That was a good one this morning. Also, NASA also cut the footage of all the UFOs popping up when Artemis launched, of course, yesterday or 2 days ago. We talked about that this morning as well. And what in the world is that? They say the NASA rocket was called Artemis launched humans into space yesterday. The moon 5 emission. The problem is the rocket is an inflatable rocket. It's not real. That's a inflatable rocket. Oh my god. Or maybe it's just AI. I don't know. My parents down there said they saw it. So, I mean, they saw something going to space. What in the world? This is not a straight shot to the far side of the moon. It's approximately 10 days. The Artemis 2 astronauts will orbit the Earth twice before looping around the far side of the moon in a figure 8 and then returning home. Alright, so that's what they're doing. It's just a lot of conspiracies, man. A lot of conspiracies. Geez, I was hoping to find some of the old footage. I was playing around with some of that this morning because it looked like. I mean, some of the old footage looks like it just looks so fake. It looks so fake. I'm not finding it. All right, was it this one? Yeah. No. There was one I saw this morning where like, astronauts basically just floating on a wire. Oh my god. All right, we're not gonna. But we could give you all that blurry footage. We only have like a few minutes of it. From the 1960s. All right, moving on. Catching up with you guys in the chat. Go time. What's up, Otaku? What's going on, Go time? Jim Beam makes you take one for the team. Says Los. Wow. Gavin God says, good evening, Otaku and Chaos family. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm trying to redeem myself with a new trade this weekend. Wish me luck. I wish you luck, Gamma. Good luck, best of luck to you. Yes, Purple Princess, let's go. Go Time says, I just increased my crypto budget. Yes. What's up? It's all good. Holding the line, man. Buy the fear, buy the doom, buy the blood. Yes, all of it. Yes, holding the line. Happy Fridays, listening in at work, and that is Ben, guys. Shout out from Ben, of course, listening in, but at work tonight, doing work. Why are you working on Good Friday, man? Give yourself a day off. Give yourself a day off once in a while, Ben. You work too hard. Easy says you have been infected by Miria. As a result, you have died on the origin trail. That's awesome. Yes. Of course. Yeah. Only. The older crowd will get that one. Yes. Brave Army Freedom says, yeah, Miria caught Typhus and died while attempting to ford the river. Oregon Trail strikes again. I can't wait to play some games here on the stream when we're doing these, up-only streams. We haven't really got any up-only streams lately. And then, wow, there's a whole bunch of messages retracted. Okay. And then more D Nuts. Strawberry got money from my feet pics. Oh my God, she hit it. She got the monies. That's more DCA money, man. That's nice. And yeah, some of that went to me. Thank you so much, These Nuts. Thank you. I got the Jake Toe dividends. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Braveheart. Wow. Tony Asian toe money. Tiny Asian toe money. Yeah, that's some good money. You can make a lot of money if you got tiny Asian toe money. Jesus. Gamer Guy says, looking like it's time to roll up and pour up. Ooh, yes, it is time. I'm getting ready. I got a few sips. In so far. We're gonna have a good time tonight, of course. After the live stream's over, in about a half hour, we're gonna be hanging out with the Chaos crew on the Patreon. Ben Lawrence has got an Instagram clip over here as well. What do you got for us, Ben? Oh no, it's one of these again. Oh no. My English is so bad.
一直是我可乐黑我嘞，我可乐
Oh geez, he's been, of course, having a good time with those pronunciation videos. Kids trying to learn English. Puff pass and gulp motherfuckers says Gamma Goddess, let's go. Ben Lawrence, yep, I think it was the clip. Oh, it's a different one. What do we got now, Ben? Hanging out here on the live stream on an off day for crypto. How you speak English? We're going to vegetable store. I love this one. Yeah, I love the vegetable store one.
菜市场。
我说让你说英文，你总说菜市场干啥呀？
菜市场的英文。
You vegetable store.
Vegetable store.
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
不是 vegetable.
Vegetable
store.
Store.
Let's go. So this is how vegetable stores in China looks like. So what is this?
圆葱。
Onion. 什么 onion? Onion. 能认真是什么？两个是 onions，OK？Onion. Onion. 你鸟干啥呀？你这一天，这个知道什么？知道这个吗？
蘑菇。
Mushroom. 不是mushroom. 摸的摸 mushroom. 这家伙这咋这么费劲？
Oh God, it's too much. All right, are you guys getting excited? Is the bottom in? Are you getting excited, Ben? The bottom is upon us. Are we gonna see another leg down next week? Let me know in the chat, guys. Let me ask you guys here. Is the bottom in? Question mark. Yes or no? Not quite so simple. I wish it was. Let's see. How about this? And no. Vegetable. Oh, jeez. All right. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no?
What are you, stupid? The bottom is not in, I guess. Maybe it is.
I mean, I don't. It kind of feels. Every time I look at the bubbles, man, the bubbles. Bitcoin up and right only, up and right only. Yeah, but we can still see another retest. We can still come down and maybe do a double bottom on the on the week or the monthly. You'll probably see something like, you know, this here at 60K, double bottom here 60K. I've been calling that as like the best way out, the best way to move forward. Just send it down to a wick 60K, a double bottom, move on, and then we see, of course, a recovery in the month of April. I just don't know, guys. Last time again, we saw any weakness in the market. We couldn't even get it down at 60K again. We were only down there for 45 minutes in 2.5. I'm not gonna go that whole freaking rant thing all over again. All right, I gotta catch up with the chat. I'm still trying to catch up with the chat. You guys are insane tonight. Of course, hanging out on Good Friday. Happy Feed the Fire Friday, guys. Feed the Fire Friday.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace.
Don't forget to get some Satoshis.
Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
It's Friday. All right. Jake the Snake's also here. Jake the Snake, how you doing, Jake the Snake? These aliens cracking out like, checking us out like we're aliens in their backyard. Yeah. They're like, what are you doing in here? This is our turf. It's like, among all the other, I was talking about this morning, hundreds of thousands of satellites, or millions by now. Braveheart McFreeman says, Artemis is fake, just another distraction from the Operation Epic Fury. Okay. I mean, the budget NASA has per year doesn't even make sense, right? Doesn't even make sense. It's all made up. It's just, Gundam had the same thing. We just called them dummies. W. They're just blowing up nonsense, right? This is supposed to be this. I'm a huge I'm a dork. Okay, moving on. Why doesn't China live stream for their launches? This one looks like they didn't pop through the firmament, just wrote it back down. We're talking about the firmament now. Oh boy, we're talking about the flat Earth stuff now. Oh no. The reason why China doesn't live stream their rocket launches is to avoid the embarrassment like this. They just blow up. They just blow up. Let's see. This is one of their launches. Rocket 2. How long is it going to take? Okay, it goes. It's a 2-minute video for a launch. Oh, you just blow up? I think it just blow up. It's now Puff Cloud. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell. Thanks, Cliff, for that one. Cliff, China is too busy making fried rice. Fried rice. Oh my god. Yes, 100% Strawberry, 100%. Meanwhile, the USA is spreading ticks to its own citizens. Really? What? My bottom is in, says Strawberry. Oh my gosh. Okay, could be for the institutional type crypto. One more leg down is possible, says Inspector Music. It's true. I keep saying, if we just get one more leg down, send it to 60K, and then we'll be on our way. Double bottom that bitch into the future. But we still haven't got that. Again, last time we hit 2.17 trillion million dollar market cap, Bitcoin didn't even slip under 63K. And again, the first time we did that, we touched 60K for 45 minutes on a few wicks. Let's see what we got here. Cliff, oh wow, Ben, Jesus, you're blowing it up. I can't click on all those links. I'll click on the last one, Ben, and then we got to get things rolling. I'm a little behind now. I got 25 minutes to wrap this up for the Patreon live. Top 5 Chinese child tries to speak English, try to learn English. Animal. Giraffe. That's not bad. It could be better.
Q.
What?
Monkey. Cute.
That's good.
Cute. Monkey.
Cute.
Cute. Monkey.
Oh, jeez, man, you are so mean. Cliff says feels bottom, but mofo's gonna live with cryptocurrency and obviously not wanting retail in yet. We're here now, bullish. Wow, Cliff, you're kind of in my camp, right? It feels like the bottom is in. It feels like it. We're really close. We gotta be really close. Andra says good evening, happy y'all, happy Friday. How you doing, Andra? How you doing? Strawberry, dragons is nasty, says Ben Lawrence. Her bottom's in, man. Oh, jeez. All right, guys, see what else we got. It is a little slow this week, so I mean, obviously the week itself has been slow, but today's been dead in terms of crypto news because, nothing's working either. Can't do the dark mode on this. I'm burning my retinas. Okay. Anyway, it's slow today because Good Friday. The markets are closed. Yada yada yada. You guys know it. We're of course hanging out, having a good time, and we're gonna have another good time when the show is over and we're hanging out together on the Patreon live. Let's check out a different news outlet. I didn't see anything else here of any redeeming value. Okay, what else? Circle under fire after 285 million drift hack over interaction with stolen USDC. Yikes! What a mouthful. Charles Schwab plans spot Bitcoin, Ethereum trading launching the first half of 2026. We still have the Bitcoin ETF as well launching for Morgan Stanley. It's going to be a pretty big month for the big quarter for the banks, the big banks. I can't read this one because they unlock it through a paywall. What else we have here? Ethereum Foundation stakes another $93 million in Ethereum, reaching its 70,000 target. I guess they're only staking 70,000 coins. What? Okay, weird. They should be staking more than that. It's the Ethereum Foundation, for God's sakes. Come on, Metallic, what are you doing over there? They're selling a bunch though. They've been selling a bunch. I think they sold like 12,000 beginning of the year, another 12,000. I'm just not seeing any of these guys. None of these are. Yeah, Coinbase wins initial bank regulator nod for trust charter, boosting custody push. These are mostly nothing articles. Okay. Let's get into, how about cryptonews.com. Trump just signaled military escalation against Iran and Bitcoin price dropped 6% in hours. That was yesterday, man. This is old. None of this is even new. All right, here we go. 6 hours ago, Bitcoin price hanging on in balance with the quantum computing. This computing scare again. Quantum computing scare. Can Bitcoin survive it? Of course, it's going to survive it. We're still, ways away from that narrative playing out. And obviously, we're seeing an update possibly as soon as this year. Let's see what else. BlackRock is paying $350,000 for crypto executives. Is that enough? Damn, I mean, that's a lot. That is a lot for, I guess not for BlackRock, though. Is Wall Street digital asset takeover just getting started? That's kind of a nothing article, too. You guys can see the news is really lackluster today. Algorand crypto jumps 20% thanks to Google AI paper, cited 32 times. Really? Wow. Jeez, 32 times. Jeez. Couldn't put a bigger billboard out, could you, Google? Okay, I think that's it. We're running into dry season now. Crypto news. Canada's bid to ban crypto donations highlights transparency issue. AI agents will kill the web as we know it. Ooh. Animoca's Yatsu. Kaushi onboards Democratic strategist amid legal troubles. Damn, these just suck, man. These headlines just suck. All right, that's it, guys. I'm gonna go one more place. We're gonna go to Daily HODL, and then we're gonna just check it out. Of course, the real news over on Crypto Twitter. Up to $10,000 per person heading to victims of massive cybersecurity attack on tech firm. Damn, that's a huge class action lawsuit for it to be $10,000 per person. Usually you get $1 and you call it a day, and I just rip it up, throw it in the trash. I have done that before, actually. I've gotten class action lawsuits from I don't know, from like Toyota or like GameStop or something, and then I just, it's like 60 cents, $1, I just throw it in the trash. Barclays says SP 500 trading as attractive entry point. I mean, it's just a freaking play. I mean, they're gonna eventually claim the money anyway. U.S. citizens and residents lose $3.5 billion? Is that billion? Yeah, billion. In fraudsters and importers. This is all this freaking FUD, man. There's nothing even crypto related on here. Today is the 3rd. Analyst says that Ethereum is final stages on bottoming out. Forecasts incoming Ethereum breakout coming soon. I guess like the only thing we've actually had that's kind of bullish and maybe realistic, maybe. A triple bottom pattern indicates that the asset has found a strong place for and refuses to crack even after being tested 3 times for Ethereum. The synonymous analyst Credible Crypto tells his 484,000 followers on X that Ethereum may be printing a bullish triple bottom reversal pattern on the 3-day chart. We have this chart. Yes, we do. I can also take a look and see what we got. Okay. Take a look and see where we can find it. Triple bottom move. Triple bottom move. Are we talking about this one? Are you talking about the 3-day chart? The 3-day chart. The daily. Here's the daily. If you ignore the 2-5 stuff. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Kinda. Are we talking about this out here? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what he's pointing at to. All right. So. I can't even read this, so it's tiny print, man. It's useless. Okay, looking at his chart, the analyst suggests that Ethereum will retest the level around 1.8 thousand before soaring to 2.4 thousand as soon as April 7th. That's going to be, of course, the beginning of next week. Wednesday, I think it's Wednesday. Ethereum is trading at $2,000 at the time of writing, down 3.5% on the day. He also predicts that Bitcoin was bottoming as well. Bitcoin is trading at 66,900, nearly down 2% in the last 24 hours. Okay. That's all we get for crypto news, guys. It just sucks today. Let's get into real news over on X and see if we can find anything else of redeeming value. All right. X is going to give it to you. We're still getting this. The first thing, really? We already went over all this. We're not doing it again. Here's some of that fake footage. I'm sorry. Found footage. Found footage? Propaganda. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah. They just sped up. Yeah, they just sped up some of the old footage. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Yep. You gotta get that flag on there, because that's how flags move on the moon. With the wind, with the wind. Oh yeah, this will be, of course, the first time we put people on the moon. Oh, jeez. Earth is flat. Earth is flat, everyone. My God. Oh, boy. JD Vance trains for Hormuz. Yeah, JD Vance, I don't know if they're still going to send him out there. Iran came out. I don't know if it was a joke or what, but they're like, oh, we don't want to talk to anyone but JD Vance. We'll only talk to JD Vance. I think this is a play on that. He's training for it, man. He's getting ready to go. What the hell? Oh man, there's nothing even on crypto Twitter today. I can't even get crypto news. What the hell? Oh, America's starting war with delivery trucks for bots stealing people's jobs. There's more of these videos. I showed you guys another video of an old lady yelling at a robot last week or 2 weeks ago. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago. Here's another one. Get out of the street! If you a clanker, don't come around me. Don't no clankers, man. Don't want no clankers. Holy crap.
Hello. What do you want? What do you want?
Give him a push. He wants a push.
You want me to press the button for you? You want me to press the button for you, Mingo? Fuck you. Press it yourself. You took a human's job and you want me to press the button for you? No, hello, fuck you. Excuse you. Yeah, excuse you. I'm not pressing nothing.
Yeah, we showed you guys this one last week, so I don't want to play that one again. But there's another
not my
one
problem.
here.
What the fuck you ever done for me? Mingo's just fucking stuck. It got the green light, but it can't go because it doesn't have the walk signal. Not my problem. Not my problem.
Jesus. All right. I've never seen that one where he flipped him in the street, though. All right. Anything else happening? Hard news. Here is the lost footage of Donald Trump's 2004 Saturday Night Live sketch titled "Donald Trump's House of Wings." Really? The sketch is still missing from all Saturday Night Live DVDs and streams. Okay. All right, we're going to go to the moon. We're going to fly to the moon.
House of Wings, you can get them with 5 different levels of hotness. Regular, hot,
oh my
pre-alarm,
God,
suicidal, and hellspawn.
Oh, wow. That doesn't age very well, of course, today. Wow. Because people say, Donald Trump is fucking Satan. That's what yeah. South Park sketch has done, of course, over the last year or two. So in 2026, billions of dollars worth of technology and equipment, and this is seriously the best we can get. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, just in, major explosion in Tehran, Iran following the U.S. Israeli airstrikes, and looks like they're already starting the peace bombs. That look like fireworks. Oh my God. Happy Good Friday. What the fuck? Jeez. Art is artisanal cheese. Yes. What the hell? Oh wow. And then yeah, they also did the Morshu. If you guys are fans of Zelda or nerds like myself, Otaku of course, you know what this one already is without even playing it. This is of course Bombs. You want it? It's yours, my friend. Oh jeez, yeah, of course. Being playing on Morshu from Legend of Zelda. Link's what was it? The Faces of Evil. The Faces of Evil that was on the CDI. Yeah, I used to have it. Okay. There are NPCs on Earth that think this drove around for 22 hours on the moon. Yeah, there's normies on Earth that think that this actually happened. I know. So funny. 150-inch TV is now really necessary at your local Costco.
Costco is raising the bar again, and this time with a 150-inch TV. Just when you thought it couldn't get any more ridiculous, they come out with a 150-inch. Look how it's towering over this guy. I honestly thought a 70-inch TV was big. Then I saw 115
Yeah, it is.
inch.
70 inches is pretty damn big.
150 inches. It's on 2 pallets. Like, this will
Damn.
not fit back in a Silverado. This will not fit in an F-150. So how in the world do you get it home? You have to rent a semi-truck. And then once you get it home, how do you even get it in your house?
Why is this on my feed? This is
150
hilarious.
inches is bigger than a door frame. Like, you can't even fit this through a door, so what are people doing? Cutting open their houses? It doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't. Yeah, and I agree. It's like, that's twice the size of the TV that's right behind me. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Oh my God. Millennials and Gen Z are so cooked, man. Yes. Of course, more Doom. I love it. Let's see what we got.
I fucked up so bad because I just spent over $250,000 on a degree in philosophy.
Whoa.
And I didn't.
I mean, I love philosophy. I love philosophy, but I'm $250,000. Damn.
Realize that there were not jobs for that. Like, no one is willing.
No, we don't need that anymore. We just ask AI, how should I feel about this topic? It makes me feel, some kind of way. God, that's terrible. I feel for her, man. I feel for you. But of course, the AI are coming, guys. They're taking your jobs. And I fucked up. I fucked up too because it's 2:20 and I gotta get going. We gotta stop here. It looks like, again, the news is just lackluster, of course, today on Good Friday. The markets are closed. Let me get through the normie searches real quick, and then, yeah, we do have to show you where Bitcoin's likely going to go into the weekend. I probably don't have time for the normie searches, to be honest. We're just going to skim through it real quick. Of course, the normies get an F today. There's nothing of any redeemable value. Again, spoiler alert, they get an F. Yeah, there's nothing here. It's all sports. Not looking up a single thing, of course, related to crypto, of course, or any financial asset. All right, yeah, we got to get to it, guys. I'm late. We're gonna have 10 minutes to get over to the Patreon, hang out with you guys for tonight's live on the Patreon. And you too, of course, can also participate. It's in the link down in the description below, guys. If you want to join the Patreon, it's only $15 a month. All right, let's do, of course, the thing. Of course, last weekend we hit it right on top of the head, like we always do. I'm so tired of winning, guys. Can we just be wrong? I want to be wrong. I got Carnelian. Yes, I got Carnelian. I'm gonna try to be wrong again. I'm gonna trying to make my dream come true and throw some Carnelian back on the altar to push my dreams of being wrong for Monday. All right, guys, let's get this started. Rituals have to happen. I still have Amethyst on here. I'm gonna leave the Amethyst on here. I think Bitcoin needs a little support, needs a little bit of a pick me up over the weekend. Tons of freaking burnt money all over here. I still haven't cleaned this up. I can finish that one off tonight. No.
What are you, stupid?
we are going to be burning probably $100 after what you guys threw at me earlier. Yes, we're gonna be burning $100 tonight. Thanks again for coming out, guys, and supporting the live stream. I appreciate my top fans tonight being Cliff #1. Okay, Ichiban #1. Cliffu. Thank you so much, Cliff, for that 600 XP. Yes, $10 super chat earlier. Thank you so much, Cliff. D's Nuts coming in with 575 XP as number 2, with Strawberry at number 3, 275 XP with Los at a number 4. Guys, thanks again for coming out and supporting the live. Runner-up being EZ and Ben Lawrence tied for 75 XP. Thanks again, guys, for coming out and yeah, supporting me and the channel. All right, and we're of course going to be sacrificing a $100 bill in your guys' honor. Thank you so much. Where's the lighter? There we go. It's been a while since I lost my lighter. There we go. All right, and of course with my infamous Bitcoin pizza lighter, I'm going to light the ritual. Start the ritual off with lighting the candle for Crypto Chaos magic. There we go. The candle has now been lit. I gotta get a better candle. This is ridiculous. I literally melted 2 candles together. Too much chaos. All right, it all works. All right, we're gonna be sacrificing this $100 bill tonight. Of course, you have to have all your, the elements present in the studio. Of course, I have water. I have, earth. I have fire. I have wind. I have water. All of course present, and a little bit of heart. Captain Planet. We can summon Captain Planet. Yeah, I gotta get this going a little bit stronger. Here we go. There we go. Flip it upside down. That'll get it burning faster. And my fingers too. Whoa, damn. That went up quick. Bye-bye, Benny. Bye-bye. All right. Throwing him on the altar of, spent paper, money. All right. Another sacrifice has been made. And now I am an instrument of chaos. Let's do this, guys. Where are we going into the weekend? As the peace bombs are about to drop. All right. Let's do this. I gotta set this up a little bit for my ritual. I can probably skip over that. I always add that, of course, there for that element, so you guys know what I'm doing. Let's see. Wait, do I have time? Come on. I'm jonesing, man. I gotta go. I got 5 minutes. I gotta finish. Let's clean up the board. Of course, if you guys were here this morning, you know we landed right on top of our baseline target. Yeah, so tired, of course, of winning. Calling for baseline bear last night. Worst case scenario I was talking about would be something like this, grinding, just touching the butts, basically, grinding the surface, just scratching the surface. If we even saw that, we did not see that. The golden pocket is still intact, fully intact, and of course stronger than it was the day before, and the day before, and the day before, and the day before, and the day before that. All right, so anyway, let's clean that up. Do I not have my? Oh yeah, they're over here. Going into the weekend, of course, adding my ritual sticks into the weekend on the 9s. What do we got here? Friday, Saturday night, Saturday morning, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. in the morning, going into Monday. That's not right. 9 o'clock, that's close enough on Saturday. We're off about a half hour now. Sunday, and then Monday morning, we need about the 9 o'clock here. Come on, do the thing. There we go. Let's mark it open there. And going into where we are today. Yes, we got to get this set up here on schedule. We're almost there. Yep, right there. Okay, we're good. All right, it's all lined up into the weekend. Who else can show you where Bitcoin's likely going to go into the weekend? Let me know in the chat, because I've never met them. And I've been doing this now for 3 fucking years. It's insane. Let's go. Okay. Here we go. Why do I have an extra 9? 9 p.m. Yeah, I need it for 9 p.m. on Sunday. That's probably the most important time frame. Okay. All right, guys. So yes, we are very tight in this channel. We've been stuck in all day. About ready to pop. Got to go some direction eventually. Probably when the bombs drop, we're gonna start to see that breakout, or break up or down. Right now, sitting at 9:25. We got about 5 minutes. Of course, to head over in the Patreon live here in a minute. If you guys have seen this for the first time, then you have to know that all these numbers, of course, represented on the screen via my ritual sticks, are all the key time frames in which the money, of course, moves with volatility in our markets. 9, of course, being the market open, 12 being the intraday trading session here, and 3, of course, being the wind down for the market close. Obviously, the markets are closing into the weekend, but of course, these numbers are still relevant to when people are awake on this side of the planet and the other side of the planet. Inversely, via Eastern Standard Time, you know where all the money's going to move and when. All right. So yeah, I've been doing, of course, this forever, and it just happens to work out this way. It just go with me. Okay. All right. I have the 9s on the board for everything, of course, going into the morning open on Monday. Here we go, guys. Baseline target going into the morning, Saturday morning, early Saturday morning. Let's see what we got. All right. Baseline. We gotta break out here eventually, man. We're so tight. It's been a while since I even did draw pennants or anything. I'm just like, I just see it. I'm in Neo in the Matrix now. I don't even need to freaking draw it. But there it is. About ready to get squeezed out. If we do draw this all the way out, it would happen about midnight, right? So usually we break down about 2/3 of the way. We're already there, so possibly it's going to come soon. I'm going to save that for our bear case scenario, though, and our bull case scenario. Could be happening within the next 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so if we did draw this all the way out in our baseline anyway, just using that as a hypothetical, we are going to get maybe a little bit of price action to the upside. If we do see our baseline, let's see if we can get a little bit higher here. 67,000 by about 3 a.m. That's about all we're going to give it. Roll that bitch over into the morning in America. Morning in America is usually kind of slow. Maybe we lose a little bit of this area. Into the afternoon, get a little bit more activity, but not much. It's the weekend, right? So it's going to be low volatility into the weekend. Seeing the same thing, of course, into Saturday, going into Saturday night, maybe a little bit higher, going into the foreign market when they wake up. I mean, they're not going to be in the market, but they're going to be, of course, awake on the other side of the world. Yes, and we're going to be doing that into about maybe midnight. Roll that on over, doing the same thing. Just got a little bit of chop up and to the right here for the weekend activity. Sunday, we're looking at 6 o'clock in the morning. We're going to pull back a little bit further. Maybe that's as low as we get there into the morning. And then we start to ramp up into the afternoon. And I'm not sure if I'm able to do this. Damn it. I'm a little off. I'm missing, some of that there. I'll just continue. This is going into, Sunday night. Maybe seeing a bit of a rally in Bitcoin. And rolling that over, of course, by 3 a.m. And that's where we're going to be pretty much in the beginning of the trading session next week on Monday in America. So 67,300. That's not too much farther than we are now. About $500 up in price action from where we are today. All right, that's our baseline target. Nothing too extreme. Just a little bit up and to the right for Monday. Bear case scenario, and I got a minute or two. I got a minute. I gotta hurry up. Bear case scenario. We're gonna lose this within the next 15 minutes. Right. We're gonna come back down. Maybe bounce off here a little bit. Show a little bit of weakness going into the weekend. The bombs start dropping. I don't know when they're gonna start dropping. Like usually it's been like what on Saturday. They start on late Saturday. In the States would be in Sunday morning, right over there, something like that. Sunday afternoon, I think. Technically it's the afternoon, I think. All right. Anyway, so something like that happens. Maybe we start to see a little bit more downward pressure going into a little bit later. Right around here, Sunday, Saturday afternoon, 3 p.m. If we lose that, we're going to come down and retest 66,000. Lose that, we're going down the trend line. If we go down the trend line, I might even scroll out enough. I can't even do this. Yes, I need to see my golden pocket for this because we haven't touched the surface of it yet. All right, here we go. We're doing this. We're going to lose that. We're going to lose this, of course, and then touch the surface down here right in the early morning on Sunday. If we scratch the surface there, worst case scenario again, we get maybe half of the way through. I'm gonna just give it half of the way through. And recovery by the morning open. There's our bear case scenario. I gotta leave something for the super bear. Anyway, all right. So that's what we're looking at for our bear case scenario. Going into the weekend. Bull case scenario, I don't know. Another currency collapses. I don't know, guys. Something happens almost every single day. You just don't know what's going to happen. Let's just try to keep at least 68,000. That's about our halfway point, of course, where we just split the divide. Going into April, trying to, of course, recover from our highs from last month. So that's kind of right down the middle. I think that's kind of fair to leave it there. It's going to be about 68,500 on a bull case scenario going into the weekend. All right. Doing the super bear. Super bear, of course, is going to be easy. It's just going to be down into 60,000. Hopefully, that'll be the double bottom we need to get us going into a positive month for April. That's going to be a super bear, and then a super bull case scenario. We're going to run this up about $13,000. So where we are right now at about so that'll be about 79, almost $80,000 Bitcoin by the end. Let's just send it. We have 3 days to do this, so yeah, we get sent to 80K. Screw it. Let's try to get at least 73 in our Super Bowl case scenario. Again, never ask or never demand this from the universe, but we have seen it, of course, play out 3 times last year, again, on a Super Bowl case scenario. All right, now I, of course, want to show you where I think we're really going to go, and that's probably going to be, again, you guys know, probably baseline bear. Although I'm feeling a bullish momentum somewhere on the horizons coming soon, and deep in my heart I know we're going to be up and to the right. It just seems like until we get some clarity, maybe over the weekend we drop the biggest bomb ever and we confirm that some of these leaders are actually dead and not just assumed dead, something like that. Of course, we can get some bullish momentum, but as of right now, I still feel like it's still baseline bear. Of course, still looking at my baseline for more than anything. Again, the core market's been pretty tame even on Sundays lately, and maybe we just kind of start off a little bearish and end up a little bit more bullish than our baseline. But other than that, it's kind of like our best case scenario for the weekend, in my opinion. Something like that to play out. And then, yeah, of course, down and to the right. Worst case scenario, yeah, it's pretty much this. Yeah, it's pretty much that. Giving up at least a third or maybe half at the worst case scenario of our golden pocket over the weekend with low volatility. And it's, of course, just going to be a liquidation event if that happens. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. I do have to head out. I'm already 2 minutes late for the Patreon live. Let me get back to the super chat. Oh, my gosh. Super chats, no. Brian, thank you. Enjoy. Give me
money.
$10 super chat from Brian.
Money now. Me, money needing a lot now.
Happy weekend, guys. Happy weekend. Yeah, my first drink's almost gone. Holy crap. I've been sipping. Yes. I'll see you guys on the other side. Stay safe out there. D's Nuts also coming with a $2 super chat before we leave. Thank you. D's Nuts. I refuse to be number two. And D's Nuts is now number 1. There you go. It worked. We're
gonna win so much.
Thank you again so much, guys, for coming out and supporting the chaos. I appreciate it. We're going to get back on the right foot eventually, of course, with the markets. It's just going to take some time. If this is your first bear market, hold on tight, man. You got to ride the bear. Or else you'll be under the bear. No one wants to be under the bear. All right, guys, I got to go. I'll see you later. Stay safe. Peace. Hit the button.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade among stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, hold my key. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Fill my world with more wrongs and let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. I long for Hollywood shop in the door. I choose you. In other words, I love you.
Yes. Also, guys, don't forget to take profits. And the thing. We're rewatching, of course, Dumb Money, literally for Dumb Money, in honor and respect, of course, of his early demise last year. And of course, to respect our old friend, Dumb Money. You just saw, of course, on the credits. Yeah, his death was, of course, just last month. And we're gonna watch Dumb Money on Saturday. So again, where you guys want to, of course, come out and give your respects. We're gonna be doing that tomorrow night. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you all again soon. Stay safe out there. Enjoy the weekend. And yeah, touch some grass, man. It's nice. It's kind of fluffy, you know, green. Later, guys. Later.
Watch the cash burn, land fade. A new world rises. We've made the trade. The robots are rising. He's taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.
Bet.